Welcome to Chapter 8, Lesson 6. So we've been practicing multiplying by 8 and 9, and now we're going to practice dividing by 8 and 9. So let's get started. All right, example 1 here says, Kyra and 8 of her friends. So how many kids is that? That's 9 kids. Kyra plus her 8 friends is 9. Make 63 paper airplanes. They will each take home an equal number. How many paper airplanes will each take home? So we need to find what is 63 divided by 9. One way is we could use counters, right? And draw 9 groups. This is going to take a while, isn't it? Nine groups, and then put my 63 into it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. Oh, I'm running out of room. 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63. Okay, they have an even amount. And so how many are in each group? There's 7 in each group. So 63 divided by 9 is 7. Okay. Another way is to do repeated subtraction. 63 divided by 9. 63 divided by 9. 63 minus 9 is 54. Bring my 54 up. 54 minus 9 is 45. Bring my 45 up. 45 minus 9 is 36. Bring it up. 36 minus 9 is 27. Bring it up. 27 minus 9 is 18. Bring it up. 18 minus 9 is 9. Bring it up. 9 minus 9 is 0. So how many did I take away? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I took away 7 nines. Now I just subtracted 7 times, so that means that 63 divided by 9 is 7. Each kid will take home 7 airplanes. All right, so every time 8 people came through the gate at the Sea Otter exhibit, a bell rang. How many times did the bell ring if 32 people came through the gate? Okay, so we need to find 32 divided by 8. It's going to equal our unknown. Draw an array and use the inverse operation of division to find the unknown. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So 8 times 4 is 32, which means that 32 divided by 8 is 4. The bell rang 4 times. All right, so if I have 40 counters, I want to divide them into 5 equal groups. I would have how many in each group? So if I have 5 groups, okay, 40, and 5 groups and 40 counters. So then I split them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So that's 5 and 3 in each group, or 8. 40 divided by 5 is 8. All right, 54 counters into 9 equal groups. Here's the deal. We could just hold up our fingers, do the finger trick, or we could do our 9s trick. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Which this is just 9, right? Okay, so if I want to know how many are going to 54, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 do. Another way is this repeated subtraction. 48 minus 8 is 40. Bring it on up. 40 minus 8 is 32. 32 minus 8 is 24. 24 minus 8 is 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 48 divided by 8 is 6. 48 divided by 8 is 6. All right, that's all I have for you. Now listen, like I've said before, the point of this whole thing is that we're going to practice these and have some strategies, but eventually it's just going to become like 2 plus 2. You're just going to know the answer, okay? So the more we practice these, the faster you'll get at them, the easier they'll get, and you'll be good to go. Make sure you let me know if you have any questions. Bye.